My name is Frank Andrews, and I got to know about MAA E.N.T hospital through Google Maps. One day I had some rings and pulse were coming out from my ears, so I was speaking to my friend that I needed a clinic to check what's coming out from the ear. I saw MAA had other branches everywhere, so I knew they would be good at what they do. And I went to their clinic at Medipark. They checked it and everything, so they referred me to the head branch, which is at here at Jubilee Hills. I had my surgery on the 30th of September, and the surgery was nice. Actually, my eardrum was bad. There was a hole in my eardrum, so I couldn't hear frequently, and I could hear rings on my ear for up to 4 years now. Understand? So they actually did the surgery very fast for me, understand? And it was very nice. And I won't call it customer care or whatever, but they were actually nice in their services. Whenever I needed the nurses, they come to the room. Whenever I needed anything, they get it from me. Like, I don't have to stress myself. And the room they gave me was also nice, understand? So if you guys have anything concerning ENT, like ear, nose and throat, I'll advise you guys to come to MAA E.N.T Specialist Hospital at Jubilee.